Google introduces Bard Advanced, next-level AI chatbot powered by Gemini Ultra. Presently, developers enjoy complimentary access to Gemini Pro and Gemini Pro Vision through Google AI Studio, accommodating up to 60 requests per minute, thereby catering to diverse app development requirements. Google has released Bard Advanced, an upgraded version of its ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot counterparts. This enhanced iteration, reportedly fueled by Gemini Ultra, Google's cutting-edge large language model, LLM, is poised to usher in a new era of interactive capabilities. The first inklings of Bard Advanced emerged when developer Roussel unveiled its upcoming availability through a paid subscription on Google One. Roussel took to X, sharing the news that users could obtain 3 complimentary months of Bard Advanced courtesy of Google One. Highlighting its utilization of Gemini Ultra, he disclosed, Bard Advanced will utilize the immense power of Gemini Ultra. Although the feature remains under development, Roussel hinted at its potential, stating that users could explore different topics to see what you can do with Bard. Described as a more capable large language model with advanced math and reasoning skills, Bard Advanced promises a sophisticated and multifaceted user experience. Further substantiating this advancement, developer Bedros Pamboukian uncovered Google's ongoing efforts towards an advanced tier, affirming the tech giant's dedication to pushing the boundaries of AI innovation. Google recently announced the availability of its LLM Gemini Pro to developers and enterprises. This move aimed to facilitate the creation of tailored solutions for intricate tasks. Additionally, the introduction of Google AI Studio, a free web-based developer tool, enables swift prompt development and API key acquisition for application development. Presently, developers enjoy complimentary access to Gemini Pro and Gemini Pro Vision through Google AI Studio, accommodating up to 60 requests per minute, thereby catering to diverse app development requirements.